like legit feels like a video game. Woo! Welcome back. Today, I get to show you, my friends, brand new McLaren 765 LT, and I am pumped because there's nothing that excites me more than a McLaren. It's not entirely true, there's a lot of things that excite me, but a bright orange 765, does it get any cooler than that? I don't think so. Let's go check it out. My guy. Oh man. Oh man. This is it?
That's it, buddy. What do you think?
I think it's a step up from the F8.
It's a few steps from the F8. Yeah, it's an exciting car.
How was it? You drove it from Calgary?
I did. It was amazing.
Amazing?
Yeah, I've never had a McLaren before, so just to get rid of or get used to the instrument cluster and that sort of stuff at first was new to me, but yeah, the car was really impressive. Like, I was actually shocked. I'm still shocked.
More aggressive? Like you wanted more aggressive than the Ferrari?
Yeah, it's aggressive if you want it to be. But you know, it's got a lot more cabin noise. It's a lot more raw. Like, you just feel the car.
Perfect.
You just feel the car.
This is an aggressive looking car, don't get me wrong. But when you put it beside this, like...
Yeah, you've got some good lines and you're wide too, but this thing, yeah.
This is next level, man, especially like the quad type tips coming out of it and stuff.
Yeah, it's very...
Left hand. This is unreal, Doug. I dig this Alcantara everywhere.
Yeah, that's the one thing about McLaren is they're kind of odd because they're furry everywhere, right? There's Alcantara.
Yeah, but what's that like to clean after?
It's easy.
Is it?
I don't run the vacuum.